Good morning, it's me, Erin, aka Tough City Knits, and I will show you how to use Stitch Fiddle to create a knitting chart from a photo. Here's the home page. It's a free site, but it has a paid version that you can use that gives you access to more tools. In the menu, we'll select Create New Chart. You can see there is a whole variety of needlework charts you can create. Today, let's choose knitting. What kind? Color work. No preference for what type of yarn. And today we're going to choose from picture. I normally create my own Fair Isle designs, so I usually choose empty. Here's a photo that I uploaded. It's a Vancouver Island black bear. Now let's go into the settings and make some adjustments. The size is appropriate for an adult size sweater using worsted weight, but you can change it to adjust for the gauge of yarn that you're using. We can check to see how it looks after we change it. For me, using worsted weight, this would be a more appropriate grid size. So you can change it around and see if your picture still looks clear. If you want to adjust the size, you can check out the gauge and size calculator, and it shows you a pretty standard swatch size down there, and that looks about right for worsted weight. We can also adjust the number of colors used. I definitely don't have 20 colors like this, but maybe 10 is more reasonable. So let's see what it looks like if we reduce the number of colors. Still pretty detailed. I am pretty happy with this result, so I will save the chart, and it produces a printable grid that shows bold lines every 10 rows and columns, which is helpful for keeping track. And now maybe I want to add more knitting symbols for shaping or other kinds of stitches. You can see the legend here on the left, and I will add some more symbols. You can add colors if you want. And there are many categories of symbols. Let's scroll all the way up to basic knitting stitches. And I would like to add a purl stitch. And I'd also like to add a no stitch for maybe armhole shaping or neckline shaping. Now I can select those symbols on the left and go ahead into my chart and just tap to make the changes that I want. So maybe I'll purl where the eyes are. You can also change the color of the purl symbol. Now, say I wanted to indicate neckline shaping, I would put the no stitch symbol in the appropriate place. It's a little hard to do it on my phone, and I always make my charts using my computer because you can see the whole screen, and using the mouse to click on the spaces is a lot easier than tapping with my finger. When I finish making my chart, I can download, print, or even generate written instructions.